Some Instagram Reels rack up millions of views, while others, even high-quality ones, get stuck at zero. Viral content often owes this explosive reach to specific upload mechanics that the average user skips. The Instagram algorithm prioritizes creators who utilize specific, hidden settings during the final stages of the posting process. Today, we are walking through the step-by-step optimization framework that professional creators use to maximize their reach on every post. Before we start, you'll need 3 things ready: your Instagram app, a finished video, and access to ChatGPT. Mastering these hidden upload mechanics removes the technical friction that often keeps high-quality videos from ever reaching new audiences. Step 1 happens before you select a video. Many Reels fail because of aggressive compression, which makes sharp footage appear blurry once it hits the feed. To fix this, open your profile and tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Scroll down to the section labeled Data Usage and Media Quality and tap into it. Look for the option Upload at Highest Quality. If it's off, flip that switch on immediately. Next, we need to address account structure. Standard personal accounts are designed for friends and family, which can restrict your content's ability to travel to a wider audience. Return to the main settings menu and select Account Types and Tools. Tap Switch to Professional Account. It takes only a moment to complete your bio and pick a category, but it signals to Instagram that your content is intended for a public audience and connects you to the wider network. High-quality visuals paired with a professional account structure create the necessary foundation for the algorithm to distribute your work. Now that your account is ready, tap the plus button, select Reel, and choose your edited video. To gain traction, we are going to attach your video to a trending audio track. Tap the music icon and look for tracks marked with a small upward pointing arrow. This indicates the sound is currently gaining significant usage on the platform. Applying a trending song usually overpowers your original speaking voice, which makes the video difficult to follow. To solve this, tap Done, then select Edit Video to open your timeline. Tap the volume controls. Keep your original audio at 100%, but drop the trending track down to exactly 1%. At 1%, the viewer hears only your voice. However, Instagram still registers the trending track, categorizing your reel alongside other viral videos using that sound. Instagram often assigns a random frame as your default cover image, which can look unappealing on your profile grid. We can manufacture a custom hook, like the words "wait for end," using the app's internal text tool. Type your hook, then shorten the text block in the timeline so it only appears for the first fraction of a second. Now, open Edit Cover. Scrub to the start of the video and select that microframe where the text is visible. This creates a powerful curiosity gap for anyone browsing your profile. But because the text only lasts a fraction of a second, it won't clutter the actual video playback. Next, write a concise caption that describes your video and include an eye-catching emoji at the start. For hashtags, manually guessing what works is inefficient. We can use ChatGPT to find tags that are currently relevant to your topic. Open ChatGPT and ask it to provide 5 trending Instagram hashtags for your specific video topic. Look at these results. Copy those 5 tags and paste them directly into your Instagram caption box. Sourcing your tags through an AI helps align your reel with the specific keywords and categories the algorithm uses to identify and distribute content. Before you finish, tag any collaborators, add your location, and enable Facebook cross-posting to reach viewers on both platforms. Check advanced settings one last time to ensure the high-quality toggle hasn't reset. Once confirmed, hit share to push the video live. Your reel is now live, optimized with professional account settings, trending audio signals, and high-quality visual data. Now that the foundation is set, the next step is turning incoming views into revenue. Click the video on screen to see how to monetize your new audience.